Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping table that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Outsunny Foldable Camping Table. And it's with great excitement that we introduce to you our first featured folding table that includes a full set of chairs, the Outsunny Foldable Camping Table. This camp table has a classic picnic table design thanks to its wooden seats and tabletop, and it even has a hole in the center for umbrellas, perfect for those outdoor summer lunches. But this table not only looks great, it's practical too. The one-piece design can be unfolded in minutes, and you can say goodbye to multiple car trips when you're setting up camp, as all 4 seats are inbuilt. They're reinforced and pretty solid too, with a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds each, while the camping table itself can hold a substantial load of up to 110 pounds. The wooden top is a decent size and is perfect for a group of 4, and it's wear-resistant and easy to clean too, so you don't have to worry about any spillages. The aluminum frame is sturdy and anti-rust, so your camping table will last you that bit longer, and we love the non-slip feet that hold things in place even on slippery surfaces such as patios and decking. It might not be the most lightweight or cheapest folding table, but, bearing in mind that you get 4 seats included in the weight and price, we don't think it's bad value for money overall. Plus, this is one of the nicest looking foldable tables we've found, and it would look great at a summer garden party as well as on the campsite. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Stansport Picnic Table. If you're after a picnic-style foldable table but you want something a little more weatherproof than wood, then the Stansport Picnic Table is the one for you. This foldable table has 4 seats attached and is constructed from a solid aluminum frame alongside high-density polyethylene, making it resistant to both rain and stains. The tabletop is pretty spacious and, with 4 chairs attached, this table is perfect for family dining. It even comes with an umbrella that slots right into a hole in the middle, so you don't have to worry about getting sunburnt during lunch or your food getting spoiled by the rain or rays. The chairs fold in and the camping table folds in half to form a portable carry case with a handle, so you won't be trekking back and forth from the car to the tent thanks to this all-in-one design. Unlike most tables with this design, the table height can be adjusted, so you can choose the height that's right for you. It might be a little on the heavy side, but, given that you don't have to use extra weight on seating, we think we can forgive it. With a table, 4 chairs and an umbrella included, we think this table is great value for money, and it comes with a 1-year warranty too, so you don't need to worry about it breaking on you. At number 3, we have the GCI Outdoor Cook Station. So maybe you don't need family-friendly tables, built-in seats or cup holders. Maybe what you're really after is a table you can put all your barbecued goods on buffet style. If that's the case, then we certainly recommend the GCI Outdoor Cook Station. This table really does bring the kitchen to the outdoors, with its heat-resistant aluminum countertop that's suitable for camping stoves and all its extra storage space for cookware and utensils. The aluminum top can hold up to 48 pounds of food or equipment, but if you're cooking up a feast, don't worry, because there are not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 additional tabletops you can fold out for that extra grub, each with a weight capacity of 30 pounds. Oh, and they have hooks and glass holders on the edges that make the perfect holding place for all your drinks, trash bags, and utensils. There's also a rack at the bottom where you can let things cool down or air out, and a holder for your kitchen roll. Is there really any more you could want? This table folds up completely flat for storage thanks to the manufacturer's slim fold technology, and it has handles for transportation too. It may be a little on the heavy size, but if you're going to be doing some heavy-duty BB-ching, then you need the table to match. You really will be able to cook up a storm with this table at the ready. Don't be surprised if half the campsite suddenly turns up for dinner. At number 2, we have the Coleman 4-in-1 Camping Table. If you're anything like me, then sometimes you find decision-making a difficult task. Well, you certainly don't have to worry about making the wrong choice with the Coleman 4-in-1 camping table. Yes, that's right, this incredibly versatile table can be set up in 4 different ways, so you can be sure you'll always have the right table for the occasion. Option number 1 is the classic square table setup. This is great if you want to sit down for lunch or play a late-night card game at the campsite. As this option is essentially joining 2 rectangular tables together, there will be a small crevice in the middle, so perhaps you shouldn't place your heaviest loads here. It shouldn't be too much of a problem though, thanks to the sturdy clips and bolts that join the 2 frames together. If you want to put on more of a spread, why not go for option number 2 and join the 2 tables together long ways? This buffet-style arrangement is a great way to display barbecue treats or other nibbles if you want a casual campsite dinner vibe. The third option is the bi-level setup and makes full use of the adjustable table legs. By having one table higher than the other, you can leave your drinks on one level and your food on another. This arrangement is particularly nice if you want to sit side by side in a pair facing out to sea or watching the sun go down. Finally, you can simply separate the 2 tables. This can be great if you want some time away from the kids, or perhaps there are only 2 of you going camping and you don't want to carry the extra weight. Either way, it's great to have the option to separate or downsize when you need to. No matter which arrangement you go for, you can choose one of 3 heights for your table too. The table has a solid aluminum frame and a medium-density fiberboard, helping to keep the weight down. On top of this, the table has an outstanding weight capacity of 300 pounds, the best of our featured tables, so you can load it up without fear of it buckling. It folds away into a self-contained case for transport, and it comes with a 1-year warranty too. The only minor drawbacks are the fact that there are no seats included and that it comes with a warning not to place extremely hot items on it, although you probably shouldn't be placing extremely hot items on most camping tables anyway. Overall, this is a super versatile option that gives you so many options without an increase in price. And finally at number 1, we have the Coleman Aluminium Camping Table. The Coleman Aluminum Camping Table. This sturdy table is constructed of a snap-together aluminum frame that takes seconds to assemble. The countertop itself is made of aluminum slats that are rolled up for storage and travel purposes but take no time to unravel. Once unrolled, simply insert 2 rods for rigidity, and, hey presto, you have a solid all-aluminum table at the ready. Both the frame and the top fit inside the included carry bag, so you can keep things nice and tidy when you aren't using the table. Weighing 10 pounds, this isn't a super lightweight camping table, but it isn't particularly heavy either. It's nice and roomy too, easily fitting 4 people, so it's perfect for families or if you want to invite your fellow campers around for dinner on your camping trip. Overall, we're confident that the solid, no-frills design of this camping table means that it will last you a while and, at this price, we think it's a steal, but if you don't want to take our word for it, there's a 1-year warranty included too. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.